I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're logged in and you have the 16-character gift card code. Now go straight to the redeem page. Enter the code exactly because one wrong character blocks the process. Once entered, click redeem and wait for confirmation. Don't refresh. If you're on mobile, make sure you use the in-app redeem screen and that your session didn't log out. Keep the physical card nearby until you see the success message so you can recheck characters if needed. Once Roblox confirms the code, you'll see the credited amount. Verify that number and proceed to apply it where needed. If the card adds Robux, either buy a specific Robux package or let the balance sit in your account for purchases. Make sure you select the balance as the payment method during checkout. Once done, open account billing or the balance indicator to confirm funds. If the amount is missing, don't buy anything yet. Pause and verify transaction history. Now use your balance. At checkout, pick account balance or Robux as the payment option, then complete the purchase. If a purchase fails, first log out and back in, clear browser cache, or try the mobile app. These simple steps resolve most sync problems. If the balance still doesn't show, keep the original card/code and contact Roblox support with the code, time, and username. This evidence speeds resolution. One key tip: don't discard the code until funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.